Good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It is Tuesday, January 19th. Um, you know the drill. I just wanted to point out that if you need the January health screening form, you can get another copy of it up here. We also have sign up for reading bingo for the Gloucester County Libraries. We're reading, so we might as well have some fun and get rewarded for it, besides what we're learning. All right. So we have ELA morning work and the article of the day, just like always. So you know what to do. You're going to go in there. All we're doing today is Text Structure Tuesday. Get that article of the day in and make sure that you do your book of knowledge. All right. Then once you're done with that, you're going to go into your similes and metaphors sort. Remember, similes and metaphors compare two different things. Similes use like or as. Metaphors just state that it is that. Okay, with a verb of being, is, was, am, what, were. Okay, so the first slide is really just pretty. Second slide, you're going to see all these cards. So you see the number down at the bottom. All right. So it says, what is the meaning of a simile or metaphor? Oliver and Sophie smiled for the camera like movie stars. That says like. They're comparing the smile to movie stars, their smiles. So, does it mean that Oliver and Sophie had big, beautiful smiles, or Oliver and Sophie had picked a movie to watch? I think it's A. So I'm going to go number one. I'm going to go to the card. I'm going to say number one is a simile. And the answer was A. Oliver and Sophie had big, beautiful smiles. So that's how you'll do that. You'll click on all of the cards. You may have to move things around a little bit to see everything. There's a lot of them. All right, you may have to move them. So that goes with similes. All right, and you're going to fill in the answers for all of these. All right, if you have any questions, reach out to us. I know this is harder when you're doing it on your own. Just do the best that you can. All right. After you do the figurative language sort for similes and metaphors, you're going to go to the elements of poetry quiz. All right. So we've been talking about poetry. It's just kind of to make sure that we know that you understand the structure. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in here. And it tells you, oh, there's my neighbor's dog is purple. Okay, so you're going to read this. My neighbor's dog is purple. Its eyes are large and green. Its tail is almost endless, the longest I have seen. My neighbor's dog is quiet. It does not bark one bit. But when my neighbor's dog is near, I feel afraid of it. My neighbor's dog looks nasty. It has a wicked smile. Before my neighbor painted it, it was a crocodile. All right. So it says color the title yellow. So you'll find the title. You'll put that on the title. Draw a green box around each stanza. We've talked quite a bit about that. Underline line 6 in red. So you're going to have to count and find line 6 and underline it in red. Circle 2 rhyming words in orange. You can do that. Draw a box around 2 rhyming words in orange, okay? What is the rhyming scheme? Is it A, B, C, B? Is it A, B, A, B? So think about that. All right, in blue, circle the words that are repeated in each stanza. We talked about repetition. Who is the speaker of the poem? Is it a first person poem? Am I speaking? Is it third person? Is somebody speaking to you? All right. Let's see. And who is the poet? You're going to type their name there. All right. So just do your best. It's going to just help us to see if we understand the structure of poetry. All right. Once we are done with that, you are going to go on to your writing on demand. And I don't want you to worry about this. You're going to have 45 minutes. So I want you to set a timer. This is a pre-assessment. We want to show that by the end of this unit, because we're just starting now, that you have grown, that you have learned something. So we don't want you asking your parents for help. We want to see what you know so that we can see that you will have grown by the end of this. So please, this is not going to count for a grade. All right. Think of a topic or issue that you know and care about, an issue around which you have strong feelings. Today, you will have 45 minutes to write an opinion or argument text in which you will try to write your opinion or claim and tell reasons why you feel that way. When you do this, draw on everything you know about essays, persuasive letters, and reviews. Keep in mind that you'll have 45 minutes to complete this. So you will need to plan, draft, revise, and edit in one sitting. And in your writing, try to have an introduction, state your opinion or claim, give your reasons and evidence, organize your writing, acknowledge counterclaims, use transition words, and write a conclusion. Guys, again, I'm going to say at the end of this unit, since we haven't started it yet, at the end of the unit, we should be able to do all these things. Do I expect you to be able to do these things now? No, I don't. We haven't taught it yet. So just do your best. Write about something you feel strongly about and try to make me feel strongly about that, okay, when I read it. Please do not get upset about this. Just do the best that you can. So you will begin writing underneath where it says begin writing here. How much time do you have? 45 minutes. So set a timer before you do this, okay? And I don't want you to get upset if you don't have a lot of writing, because that means you're in 4th grade and we're going to learn about persuasive writing, okay? All right. So once you are done with that, if you are in my class, we will have a 2:20 meeting and we will go over a lot of things that you've done that today. Miss Gross, Miss Hottenrot's class, we will see you at 2:40. And yes, you need to be at these meets. This is part of your attendance. Make sure you get all of your work done. Do the best that you can. We will be reading chapters 42 and 43 in The War That Saved My Life. Read also, I want you to read an additional 20 minutes on your own. You can do this. Okay, guys? If you have any questions, reach out to us. And let's see. Can you tell me something about Martin Luther King for a dojo point that shows me that you watched this movie? Okay, so if you want to privately comment on it, or if you want to just tell me at the meeting, Miss Schultz and I will be there. You can tell us something that you learned about Martin Luther King for your dojo point, but shh. All right, it's a secret for those people that didn't watch the video. They're not going to be able to get it. All right, have a good one, guys. Do your best work. Thanks a lot.